Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix overheating issues on iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, to solve this issue, remove all background apps. So to do this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and from here remove all the background apps. And after that, turn off background app refresh. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and here click on general, then here click on background app refresh, and now again click on background app refresh. Now from here, if you have turned on the background app refresh, then turn it off, and after turning off your issue will be resolved. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on display and brightness, and here scroll down and here you will see a raise to wake button. So turn off this button. So after turning off this button, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on general and then click on software update. Now from here, check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, then first of all update your iPhone, and after updating restart your mobile. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your mobile, and after restarting the problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.